Imagine waking up one day, checking your YouTube analytics and realizing you've built a channel that generates $10,000 a month without ever showing your face. Sounds unreal, right? Well, that's exactly what happened to me. And no, I didn't have a huge budget or a fancy team. I had one thing, a strategy that works. Now, if you're anything like I was when I started, you're probably comparing business models, wondering which one is worth your time. Let me save you the hassle. Faceless YouTube channels are hands down one of the best businesses to start today. Why? Because with AI, the game has completely changed. No more worrying about expensive equipment or advanced skills. You can literally start with little to no money. But let me be real with you. This isn't some overnight success gimmick. If you're not ready to put in the work, this probably isn't for you. But if you are, keep watching. Just the other day, I stumbled upon a faceless YouTube channel that blew my mind. They create simple productivity motivational videos using stick animations. That's it. No fancy graphics, no editing, just pure, simple content. And guess what? They're crushing it. With only 7 videos, they've hit over 160,000 subscribers and are averaging 200,000 plus views per video. In the last 28 days alone, they made around $6,000 from ad revenue. That's more than some people's monthly salary, and they did it in just 3 months. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I analyzed their strategy and it's shockingly simple. In fact, I replicated their entire process in under an hour. Want to see what I created?
So you want to start a YouTube channel. You've got big ideas. You dream of growing an audience, making money, and creating content that people love. But there's a problem. You're lazy. You know what you should be doing, planning videos, filming, editing, and posting consistently, but instead, you procrastinate. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and before you know it, another year has passed without you uploading a single video. Then the new year arrives, and with it, the same goal. This is the year I'll start my YouTube channel. You start off strong, fueled by motivation and excitement. But soon, procrastination creeps in, like that uninvited guest who always shows up at the worst time. Before you know it, you're stuck in a cycle of putting it off and labeling yourself as someone who just isn't cut out for YouTube. So how do you break this cycle and finally get started?
Looks familiar, right? Well, in this video, I'll break down exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can do the same. But here's the kicker. Even though they're making good money, they're leaving thousands of dollars on the table every month. I have been in this faceless YouTube game for a while, so I know. I'll show you the exact monetization strategy they're missing out on so you can implement it before they even catch on. Most gurus will tell you that you need to buy an expensive course to learn this stuff. That's a lie. I've built a complete step-by-step strategy that I'm sharing with you for free in this video. The first step is to write your script. This is the most important part outside of the topic that will decide whether your video does well or not. Usually, I recommend writing the scripts yourself with the influence of a video that is already viral on the channel or within that niche with the help of AI. What do I mean? Search for your competitor's channel on YouTube and sort their videos by popularity. Identify a viral video with millions of views. Click on the video and copy the link. In this tutorial, I will use a viral topic within this niche to demonstrate if you're ambitious but lazy, please watch this video. Head over to Notebook.lm. By the way, it is free to use. On the chat, click on upload your source. On the link, click on YouTube and paste the link. Then in the chat, ask to have the script written out word for word. Copy out the entire script and head over to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, paste the whole script and ask it to adapt the script to the topic of choice. In this case, I want it to adapt to those who want to start a faceless YouTube channel but are lazy. It went ahead to write out the topic and script. Please don't just copy and use this script as it is. Personalize it and make some changes without altering the hook of the script. Next, ask ChatGPT ChatGPT to describe the stick character for every 2 seconds of the script. You might ask why? From studying the videos in our reference channel and others, I discovered that every 2 seconds of the video, the image on the screen changes. Now we have the script and the description of all the stick images. We need a voiceover. There are 2 options to achieve this. You could do it yourself or use AI. AI has gotten so good, it probably might do a better job. For that, I will use ElevenLabs, which by far is the best text-to-speech software with realistic professional voices, in my opinion. On visiting the ElevenLabs website, click on Voices, then under Library, click on Conversational and choose the voice you like by clicking on Add. Head over to Text to Speech, paste your script under Voices, select the one you just added and click on Generate Speech. Once the script is ready, click on the arrow to download the voiceover. Now is the time for the fun part of generating the stick or sketch type animations. If you take a look at the video I showed earlier, you will realize that the stick characters are not moving, no fancy editing. This will be easy to recreate. Initially, I thought 170 images was a lot. I can use any AI image generator to create it, but it will take some time. Then I realized that I had seen this stick animation somewhere in Canva, and it was an aha moment. Upon browsing through the stick library of Canva, I discovered that most stick images used in these videos were there, except a few you can use AI to generate. So we will be creating this video totally in Canva. From the home page, click on YouTube video and a blank page will open up. Change the background to black or any color of choice. I will use a black chalkboard background. Then click on Upload to bring in the voiceover from ElevenLabs. Drag and drop it into the timeline. The process here is to listen and find the right stick character to illustrate what is being said. To start, listen to the first 2 seconds, find the right stick animation based on the description ChatGPT gave and place it. Remember that the image changes every 2 seconds. The trick here is to make sure the first image box is 2 seconds. Then copy and paste for the next 2 seconds, change the image and add elements you need and repeat the same process till you have created the entire animation. Once we have the animations matching the voiceover, next is to do a sound design to enhance the viewer's engagement. Canva doesn't have sound effects, and it is important that the music in the background is copyright free to avoid getting a copyright strike on your YouTube account. So I will source all the sounds I need in Epidemic Sound or Artlist. Once we have gathered all we need, I will upload them to Canva and start placing the sound effects in strategic places where I want to emphasize a point and also make sure the volume is very low. For the music, I will also drag and drop it into the timeline and reduce the volume drastically. Again, make sure it is very low. Once you are done with all placements, click on Share, select MP4, increase the size to 4K and download. The video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube. That's the entire video creation blueprint that helped this channel amass over 3.7 million views and generate over $6,000 in just 28 days. But as I mentioned earlier, they're still missing out on a significant revenue stream. Here's why. When people watch these videos, they often wonder what tools were used to create this. That curiosity is a gold mine. Instead of just listing the tools in your video description, use affiliate links. These special links track any sales back to you, meaning you earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. It's incredibly simple to set up because almost every software company has an affiliate program. For example, let's use ElevenLabs. Search for the ElevenLabs affiliate program online. Here, you'll see details like earning 22% of all revenue you generate for the first 12 months. Scroll down on the page, you'll often find an option like submit an application. Go ahead and submit your application, which typically includes basic info about where you plan to promote their tools. Once approved, you'll receive your unique affiliate link to start earning commissions. Repeat this process for all the tools you use. Since this is a productivity niche, you can also link books people can read using Amazon affiliates. Then add a section in your video description titled Tools Used to Create This Video or Books to Read and list your affiliate links underneath. Many viewers will appreciate having easy access to the tools and books, and if they're planning to create similar content, they're likely to sign up through your links. This not only supports your channel, but also builds a second income stream alongside your ad revenue. Interestingly, the channel we analyzed isn't even doing this yet, which means you have the opportunity to be ahead of the curve by offering this value to your audience. And that's exactly the strategy I'd use if I were starting a faceless YouTube channel from scratch. If you're passionate about growing your YouTube channel and making money online, check out my free checklist to get started. If you want more personalized advice, consider joining my waitlist for my community program that is about to launch, where I will offer direct support. Links in the description box. If you want to replicate this strategy in other niches, check out this video where I talked about niches that are doing extremely well on YouTube right now, and I will see you there.